Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, if this is your very first time here. Today we are going to be playing in some new launches. We do have a lot of new stuff that has come out recently that has not made an appearance on my channel as of yet. So today we're just gonna do a full face using all of these products, all these new launches, and I'm excited. Before we get into it, go ahead and make sure that you hit subscribe below if you have not yet so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos, and we're gonna hop right into it. And just excuse the fact that we have a backdrop today. I haven't been doing backdrops lately, but behind there is under construction. I'm changing a little bit of the aesthetic of my channel, so we're trying to get the background together, and once it's together, you guys will obviously be the first one to see it. But now, we rocking with the backdrop. So we are going to start on face today. I really want to start on face today just because, I don't know, I feel like I move a little quicker when I start on face versus when I do eyes first. I feel like it takes forever and ever and ever. So we're gonna go ahead and start on face. For a primer today, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier foundation primer. I don't think this is a new product. It's slightly new to me. I just started using it when they sent it to me in PR a couple months ago. So I've been loving it. So we're gonna go ahead and use this today. Also, y'all know I never do my brows on camera, but I did use the new Brow MVP, if I can pull it out, the new Brow MVP from Fenty Beauty for my brows. I'm probably gonna go in here and fill them in a little bit in a moment because they are looking a little scarce. Because I did just finish filming another video and then I wiped off everything but my brows. For foundation today, we are going to be using the new foundation from, so for foundation today, we are going to be using the new foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just got this over the weekend and I had not tried it out. I had been hearing nothing but great things about it, but I went to Sephora, I matched myself. They tried to help match me at Sephora and I low-key get a little offended when they do that. I was like, Maya, they don't know. Also because they don't match too well at Sephora. And I don't know if that's just my experience, but I feel like they don't match too well. So I matched to myself. The lady gave me a little okay, but you know, that's beside the point. I chose the color 500C and I came home, I used it, I think yesterday. And when I tell y'all, I felt like this is the best match I've ever had. And y'all about to see in a minute. Just from looking at that, can you tell that this is gonna be like perfect, like more perfect than ever? Literally after getting this foundation, I just felt like, what have I been doing with my life, like not having this foundation? I just felt like I need to like reevaluate all the other foundation choices I have made because this is just the perfect match. Just watch how it plays out. I ain't even playing with y'all. Watch. It disappeared. It disappeared. Crazy. I am really excited about this foundation. I've used it maybe like 2 or 3 times now. It has to be one of my favorite formulas as well. It is long wearing. It is medium coverage, but I like the coverage. I do pile on quite a lot because I like a whole lot of coverage. Don't be judging me. You already know that I like the coverage. So we're gonna pile a little bit more on. Alright, so for concealer, I want to go ahead in with the Beauty Bakery concealer. I have not used it since I did my review, and I know I posted my review on that for my last video like 2 weeks ago. So we're going to go ahead into this concealer. The one I'm going to use for my under eyes is 06 Sugar Daddy. And if you guys watch my review, you know that I love this concealer. I love the consistency of it, how thick it is, and I am going in with 07 Creme Bru-Slay just to bring some brighter areas into the middle of the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender, and this does blend very flawlessly, if you can see that. I always feel like I make super weird faces when I'm doing this. And also I notice is when I start filming and I do like this, my eye, look at it, just does weird stuff. Don't mind me, y'all. It's late. I'm filming this. It's like 7:15. Y'all, look, my bedtime is in about an hour. So just don't mind my antics. Look at what just happened. Look. That is just gorgeous. And I'm not gonna contour today. I don't know if you just saw what happened with my nose, but it just created kind of like a natural contour with the concealer on both sides and just the foundation all over the nose. So I'm not going to contour today. So far, I am extremely happy with the base that we got going on But I tell y'all one thing, y'all are not the real MVPs because y'all let me sit here and do all of this filming without taking off my lashes. So can't get to the eyes, but I don't take them lashes off, and I don't want to put on powder with having the lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. So I'm gonna bring some of this concealer up on my eye. Urban Decay did just come out with a setting powder. They do have multiple shades. They did send me this in PR. I'm gonna go in with their medium shade, which is like a banana type of feel, and then I'm also gonna go in with their deep shade. They have a dark shade and a deep shade. Very, very happy with brands coming out with complexion products, even just, you know, like tinted moisturizers or powders that actually correspond with our complexions and not just translucent white for everybody or translucent banana for everybody. So very, 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 very happy about that. When you open it up, it has a brush on the inside. Not too crazy about that. I feel like that's just for the girls who really like to pile it on and be super, super matte like my oily skin ladies, and that is me in my T-zone area, but everybody don't want to pile it on like that, so you kind of can ignore it. Kind of, it's the top, but whatever. So I'm gonna just blow some off and put it like here, my forehead, in this area. Then I'm gonna use my sponge everywhere else. You just really gotta know how to maneuver this so that you don't start looking patchy with your powder. That's why I wouldn't recommend using that everywhere, but you know, that's just me. She does give us a very flawless finish, and I am here for it. So I am going to go ahead and use their, like I said, their deep powder for the rest of the face. Not gonna use, let's use the brush. Let's just see. I just don't feel right using it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get used to that brush. It's a little weird to me. But I mean, I see where they were going with that. So, but I am gonna pat it into my smile lines. Yeah, I do have issues with my smile lines and keeping them at bay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat a lot of that powder into my smile lines. For bronzer, I'm gonna go into the Minted by Ashley Blaine Featherston collection, and I did do a review on these a few weeks ago, about a month ago, and I'm gonna go ahead into the deep shade and use this to bronze. And this bronzer is super duper pigmented, so a little goes a long way, but I always, you know, do a lot anyway. And I'm gonna use this to contour my nose as well. I'm only gonna take a little bit though. I don't want it to be too deep of a contour. Y'all know sometimes I get a little lit with the contour. And it's like I just did it again. So I'm gonna put a little powder down my nose just to let that sit for a moment, and we are going to move into eye. It's too late for this. Alrighty, we are nice and close per usual, what we do for eyes. So I wish I would have done a whole video review on this, but we do have the Colored Rain Power collection. We did get this sent to us as well, so we are going to hop into this for eyes today. I actually might mix that with the ColourPop Rainbow palette as well, which is, whew, she is cute. She cute. So I'm gonna come up with a cute little colorful look for us today using both of these palettes. Y'all know I get a little nervous about doing my eyes after I've done my face, so we are going to, you know, just get a little bit of insurance under the eye. Just I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer and 4N and prime my eyelid. So in the Power palette, I'm going to go into the color Snitch, and I'm going to go ahead and work that into my crease area. Now I am also slightly nervous not doing one eye off camera as well, because I don't know what direction this is about to go in, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Excuse my ashiness, y'all. Don't be acting like y'all don't get ashy. It happens. So I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend out the edges of this, because she is looking a little harsh, so we're just gonna like mute that and blend it into our concealer. Do we want to cut the crease, or do we want to make this more of a blended look? I don't know. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make this into a blended look. I'm gonna take Respect from the Power palette, and with my finger I'm gonna put this on my lid just to see. Ooh, pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting this on my lid, and we're gonna blend this upwards. I don't know, sometimes, especially in this case right now, blending with your finger is like the perfect tool. Like, this is working out beautifully right now. This just don't usually happen to me. I'm very happy right now. So to make sure that's nice and blended, I'm just gonna go around it with my brush that I used for Snitch. I am wondering what would happen if we dip this into Legacy and put her in the middle. Oh, look like I might not be using the ColourPop palette today. I was just trying to stay away from so much pink and purple, which I know I just can't stay away. They're my favorite colors to work with for the eyes, or just in general. I'm gonna take Snitch and put that on the bottom lash line as well. And then with the brush that used to be clean, that I used to blend out the top, I'm going to blend the bottom out as well. And this is gonna be more of a smoky look versus just like the super sharp cut I usually do. And now we are safe to go ahead and take off our powder. And we are safe to go ahead and put on our lashes. Liner on the bottom I'm gonna go into is from ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is their Creme gel liner. This did come in their rainbow collection as well. Not as well since, you know, I didn't end up using the collection, but you know what I mean. And then for mascara, I am gonna use the LA Girl Volumatic mascara. So I'm taking the gold from the ColourPop palette and just placing that in the inner tear ducts and blending it out with Legacy. And that's our eyes. Okay, so for blush, we are going to go into the Power Collection as well. And this is my Day 1 Duo. It's a blush and a highlighter. And I'm going to go ahead and try the highlighter in this as well. I'm going to go ahead into my favorite lipstick with this Huntress from Colored Rain. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on. That's not brand new, but you know, you get the picture. And the nude that I'm going into is also from the Power Collection. And this is Suspect. And that one didn't even need as much work as I thought it did. But one thing I feel like we're missing is some black liner on the top. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway, so just give me okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Y'all know this is my OG setting spray. Let that seep in a little bit. Alright, and we are done. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some super extra earrings to go with this super extra look. I don't know if you really can see, but it kind of matches my inner corner, which kind of turned into a rose gold type of situation, but regardless. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. Y'all know the drill. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.